So dito sa Sydney Zoo, naka-open lang sila, hindi sila nakakulong. Kasi maganda yung pagkakagawa nila dito. Ayan o, yung pinaka barrier nila dito, may water. And then sa baba, ayun, meron siyang wire, kuryente. Tapos may glass. So hindi basta-basta makakapunta yung ano, mga hayop dito sa labas. Ganda ng ano, pagkaka-design.
You wanna go see the lion?
So parang ano lang nila, feeling nila malaya pa rin sila, hindi sila nakakulong. So it's a beautiful day. Hello.
Kilala mo?
No, hindi. Subscriber. We are here in Sydney Zoo. Woohoo! Happy birthday. How old are you? 3. What's this? Excavator hat. Hey, Tali?
Where's your hat, Tali?
Where's your hat, Tali? Wow.
Huh?
Did you buy them one? Sydney Zoo. Ayan, so we are here now in Sydney Zoo because it's Isaiah's birthday. We're going to celebrate.
And you're also celebrating Tali's birthday too.
And Tali's birthday too. Woohoo! So we're gonna go inside.
Yeah.
Did you buy your ticket already?
Gotta buy it.
How much is the ticket? Hey,
45.
hey, let's show them the ticket. This is the price for adults 16 years and above, $55, $28. So 0 to 2 years old is free. Concession $40. So let's go. So many kids over there. School kids. Do we have a race band or what? Huh? The entrance. It's entrance. So they're gonna scan the QR code. This is the scanner, maybe. Let's go. Thank you.
Isaiah, what's that?
What's that, Isaiah?
Oh, did you get him a hat? Oh, cute.
What is that?
Alright, that's not
What is that?
Dinosaur.
Ang laki ng dinosaur. It's Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus. It's a big one. You wanna take a photo?
No, never been here. I'm a tourist.
Is it your first time?
I'll buy her a ticket if you can make it. Isaiah, look, it's our cousin.
Take a photo,
I
siya?
have to take a photo with them while the
Yeah.
sun's out. Someone take photos just because we're
Yung ano, iPhone.
You wanna walk? Do you guys wanna walk? Come on, you wanna walk?
Let's walk so they can enjoy.
You wanna see dinosaur? No.
Woohoo!
Isaiah, look at the animals.
Oh, take a photo, come on.
Yeah.
Alright, take a photo, come on. Tali, smile. Tali, smile. Look at that big dinosaur. Wala namang small na dinosaur.
Isaiah, look at that.
Hey, look at me. Hey, hey, Tali.
Tali.
They're looking at the dinosaur.
Tali.
Woohoo! What's that? Tali, look. What's that? Look, oh. What's that? Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Oh, touch her mom. Daming dinosaur. Brontosaurus. What's that? The big one. Big one, isn't it? Ang laki nito, oh. Ano siya? Brontosaurus. Largest animals in the planet. Meron pala silang ano, no? Statistics din kung saan mo siya matatagpuan. Ayun, no? Siguro yung mga fossils. Mga fossils Yan yung ano siguro nila. Evidence na nag-i-exist siguro sila. Mga bones na nakuha nila. At ito naman yung mga ano, chimpanzee. Oh, ayan. Chimpanzee. Kita mo yung chimpanzee, Tali? Monkey. Hi. Hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey.
Kaya tawag na. Ang dami nila, ayun oh. Nasa ano sila, mga dayami. Yung higaan nila, tapos meron pa dun sa tuktok. Ayun sa may duyan. Ay, mas marami mga nandun, may mga anak sila. Come on, let's keep walking. There's some more there, oh. There's some more there. Bye-bye, I love you, sabi ni Tali. Ayun oh, look. There's plenty there. Quick, ayun oh. Kita mo, ayun oh. Ayun oh. Huh? Huh? Ano yan? Ano yan? Tali, ano to? Ano to? It's a big one. Ano naman ito? Dilophosaurus crested lizard. So bali sa pag-aaral nila ay matatagpuan siya sa North America. Yung fossils fuel niya, yung bone. Ano muna tayo, nagyaya na silang kumain. So papunta kami ngayon sa ano, Boulevard Eatery at kakain muna kami dito. Ayan, habang at nadaanan nga namin dito, tingnan mo, sumakay sila sa ano. Wow, look at Tali, oh. Ang laki, oh. Ankylosaurus. It's big. Woohoo! So big.
Down there, by the way, but it's sand, so I'd rather not go there.
It's big. Look. Wow. Say wow. Wow. Are you happy on your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Because you saw the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Huh? Where's the dinosaur? Are they big?
Look, it's big. T-Rex.
Asan si T-Rex?
Yeah.
Ito, sobrang laki. Oh. Sobra. It's big. Hi, dinosaurs.
One.
Don't climb down. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga bata, oh.
And this
Pag pumunta ka dito sa Sydney Zoo, sulit na sulit kasi nga may mga dinosaurs. Pero mamaya titignan pa natin yung mga live na animals talaga na nandoon, kagaya yung mga camel, tigers, lion. So nandoon siya banda. Puntahan natin mamaya. What's that? It's an egg.
This is a table.
It's hatching.
Table.
Wow, it's like a crocodile.
No.
What's that? It's a turtle.
No.
Ano pala?
Dinosaur.
Ah, dinosaur. Ano to? Ano to?
Dinosaur.
Ito, this one.
Dinosaur.
Ice.
Ice.
That's yung ice.
Just like this thing.
Ha? Oy, Tali. Let's go. Let's go and find the live animals. Let's go. It's a kangaroo. Tali kami.
Tali, that's the tiger.
Mamaya na yung tiger. Tignan mo natin itong camel.
Come on, Tali, where's the camel? Look.
Ayun o, camel o. Kumakain sila.
Is the camel
Yung pagkain nila, ayan o, sinabit lang nila sa may ano, puno. Hinihila nila o. They're eating. They are eating.
Which one, the camel or the camel?
The camel and ano,
Tatay, come to
other
me.
camel. Ha?
Come on, let's look for the tiger.
What's that? What did you say, Isaiah? You wanna feed them? Huh? Sit down, hey. Yeah. Wow.
Eating.
They're eating the camel, oh.
Tatay, oh six.
Ki, buhatin mo siya, hindi niya makita kasi
What the hat,
nakatapat sa puno.
See.
Ate will do it. Oh, ayan oh. Yay.
Tatay, come to me.
Sit down.
Tatay, come to me. Tatay, come to me.
Be careful, ha, there's electricity.
I know.
I know. Oh,
Hmm.
mommy.
So many camels.
Mommy.
How many of them? 3.
Mommy.
Which one is boy? Which one is girl?
There's 4.
There are 4? Where is it?
There.
Ah, doon sa kulungan niya.
Okay, sit down now.
Woohoo! Oh, they eating, oh. They are eating. Tiger. We're very lucky the tiger is out. Ayan, oh.
Oh no, I feel bad for the bird.
Tiger.
I can't see it.
Do you see the tiger? Ayan na yung tiger, oh. Look.
I say I can't see it, Steve.
Oh. Ah.
The tiger?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, ayun yung tiger, oh. The tiger. Itong ano kulungan nila dito ay
Ask her, what does the tiger say?
what's the tiger say?
What does
Ali.
the tiger say?
Ali, what's the tiger say?
What does the tiger say?
Focus siya sa pagkain eh. So dito sa Sydney Zoo,
Hungry.
naka-open lang sila, hindi sila nakakulong. Kasi maganda yung pagkakagawa nila dito. Ayan, oh. Yung pinaka barrier nila dito may water, and then sa baba ayun meron siyang wire, kuryente,
And
tapos
stripes.
may glass. So hindi basta-basta makakapunta yung ano, mga hayop dito sa labas. Ganda ng ano, pagkaka-design.
You wanna go see the lion?
So parang ano lang nila, feeling nila malaya pa rin sila, hindi sila nakakulong.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Ayun yung dog.
Dog, it's a
We
hyena.
rise like
It's a family of
tall
dogs.
buildings as the
ayan.
chemicals they take us
Did you see the dog? Hyena.
higher. The night's young,
Yun.
it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Buhatin mo daw siya.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the